Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. This beautiful brown was of course inspired by fall, and I wanted to show you guys how I made this beautiful moisture matte brown that is so pretty. You guys, I've been grabbing this brown every day since I made it. I really love it. So first things first, I got my world famous base, and then I'm going in with some titanium dioxide. You can grab the base from veryveelobeauty.com, and be sure to wear a mask when you're mixing your powder pigments. So I'm mixing the base and the titanium dioxide together first, and now I'm going in with some red 27 alum lake, and I'm going in with some dark brown oxide. Usually I work with the brown oxide from TKB, but because I wanted this brown to really pop, I needed something darker. So I took a little shortcut and used a dark brown oxide. And as you can see, this recipe is very simple. I'm going in with some Kaolin Clay, mixing that really well until it's a paste. And now I'm going to correct the texture by adding some Isododecane remix. I'm going to mix that in really well. And just like that, you guys, we are done. This color was really simple. It was basically brown, pink, and white. I just wanted to really capture those undertones, not so much, but just to give it a little balance. Love the way this color came out. Again, you guys, thank you always for allowing me to share my gifts and recipes with you. Love you.